is a nonprofit law firm. We've been in Alaska for 45 years, and our mission is to provide meaningful access to justice to Alaskans in need. We provide full range of services, from things easy enough to writing letters to help people, to full representation in court.
Hi, my name is Sandra Johnson. I live in Dillingham, Alaska, and that's located in southwest Alaska. Dillingham is the hub of the Bristol Bay area. We are the second largest fishing industry in the world. I fished all my life, and as well as all my family. You know, we depend on our fishing to help us throughout the winter. My aunt and uncle, which I fished for, they weren't able to go through the court process. They just absolutely couldn't afford it.
People don't know what their rights are, and it's important for them to understand that. So I think when they don't have representation, they lose out on assets and arrangements to which they're entitled because they just don't know. People end up in a worse position, and we owe it to our communities to assist in this way. I think it reflects highly on the profession to have attorneys out there taking these cases and volunteering their time and making the time and being brave about taking on new areas that they're not necessarily 100% comfortable with.
I also think that people are worried that they're not going to do a good job, that they're not going to have the skill set to be able to make a difference in people's lives. They can, and they are. There's so much support. We can provide so much support to our pro bono attorneys to help them along and make sure that they can do a really good job and make a difference in people's lives.
So that works really well to have mentors who can work with younger lawyers in an area that they have not practiced in before. So those resources are there. And legal services, it's in their interest to help place these cases and make sure that once they're placed, that the lawyer who's handling them, does a good job for the client. So that's worked well over the years, I think. I mean, as lawyers, we have a duty, an ethical duty actually, to provide pro bono services. I mean, it's part of our canon of ethics. And it's just, more than that, it's just a great thing to do for people. I mean, people who really need your help.
I would like to say thank you once again to Alaska Legal Services. I feel that they don't get enough appreciation. They're hard workers, and they do a lot more behind the curtain than they're giving credit for. And I'd like to thank them for the experience I had.
I've never had a client who didn't thank me sincerely for doing the work, and it's just a really sincere thanks, and you know that you're doing great work for people. It's just a great feeling.